In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to this site, Helthtop.click. Helthtop.click stands for a new deceptive site. Right now, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users continue their browsing or for some other reasons. But the truth is that it's actually a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected with numerous pop-ups that would be attacking the screen from time to time. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, fix your browser immediately. Access the menu, settings, then privacy and security, then site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to display notifications. If you find any junk sites here, get rid of them completely from the list. This is the manual solution to fix your browser, but I also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.